Hey everyone, are you ready to discover 5 super easy tips to ace your exams? Whether you're a student aiming for top grades or just want to improve your performance, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down some straightforward strategies that will help you shine in any exam situation. So let's jump right in and boost your exam game. Here are 5 tips to help you write exams like a topper. Understand the material thoroughly. The foundation of acing any exam starts with a deep understanding of the subject matter. Make sure you comprehend the concepts, theories, and formulas, rather than just memorizing them. Try to understand the underlying principles and how they relate to each other. This will help you tackle any question, even if it's presented in a different format than what you've studied. Practice regularly. Practice makes perfect. Set aside dedicated time for regular revision and practice problems. Solve past papers, sample questions, and exercises relevant to your course. This not only helps reinforce your understanding, but also familiarizes you with the exam format and the types of questions that may be asked. Time management. Effective time management is crucial during exams. Allocate your time wisely to each section or question based on its weightage and complexity. Don't get stuck on one question for too long. If you're unsure, move on and come back later. Always keep an eye on the clock and adjust your pace accordingly to ensure you complete the exam within the allotted time. Organize your answers. Presentation matters. Write neatly and legibly, and structure your answers logically. Start with a brief introduction or overview, followed by the main body of your answer, and conclude with a summary or concluding remarks wherever applicable. Use headings, bullet points, or numbered lists to make your answers clear and concise. This not only helps the examiner follow your train of thought, but also demonstrates your understanding of the topic. Stay calm and focused. Exam anxiety can hinder your performance, so it's essential to stay calm and focused throughout the exam. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or visualization to manage stress. If you encounter a difficult question, take a moment to collect your thoughts before attempting it. Trust in your preparation and abilities, and maintain a positive attitude towards the exam. Remember, staying calm allows you to think more clearly and perform at your best. By following these tips and adopting a systematic approach to exam preparation and execution, you'll be well on your way to writing exams like a topper. And there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful tips to help you excel in your exams. By understanding your material, practicing regularly, managing your time wisely, organizing your answers neatly, and staying calm under pressure, you'll be well on your way to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful content. Keep studying smart and reaching for those academic goals. You've got this.